FitLabPGH back with September lifestyle hack. Last week you saw us do a video on laying out your workout clothes in advance, so when you have an hour or so or maybe less time, you can grab them and go. This is another trick, or actually a hack, that I use for my bikes. I've got two different packs. This is for my fat bike in the winter when it's nice and cold. This is for my gravel bikes and mountain bikes. What it's got spare tubes, it's got a pump, it's got a patch kit, it's got a boot for tires, and a chain tool and a small piece of chain. What it is what most people usually wear on their seat bags, but this way it's in a pack. I can just grab it and go. I don't have to worry if when I switch from one bike to another, whether or not I'm able to have all the tools that I need. This pack is from USWE. I've been wearing it all summer long, actually for over a year. It doesn't bounce around, so check out USWE packs if you're looking for an easy way to carry stuff. Another lifestyle hack from FitLabPGH that believes you should move more, move safely, move often, and move as a lifestyle.